Today we are going to Kenilworth, and there is only one real reason that people go to Kenilworth. You'll see in a second. Deep in the summer of 2020, my wife and I decided to deck out a little van and road trip the great continent of Australia. So join us as we explore the east coast of the land down under. It's a coffee, it's a donut, it's a coffee donut from the Kenilworth Country Bakery in Kenilworth. How could you not? We are now in Noosa National Park, and we were going to go to some fairy rocks or something.
Fairy pools.
Okay, fairy pools. But the whole coast looks just so good that we have to go for a swim. We are on our way to Springbrook National Park. It's meant to be really nice, lots of waterfalls and like a natural bridge. I was pretty excited about this one, but the forecast today is thunderstorms, so we're going to head up and see what happens. Hopefully it'll clear up. It's absolutely crazy. You're walking on a path. I think what you're looking at over there, what we're looking at over there, is what we have just here. And so you come across paths like this, and you kind of hope that they would have a handrail, because right there, just beyond that grass, is just a drop. But it's really, really nice. Lots of wildlife, lots of bird sounds. It'd be great just after wet season. Just on a short walk, you get to walk under a waterfall. Imagine how it would be in wet season. It'd be insane.
Amazing.
So nice. Well worth it. It's only like 45 minutes from the Gold Coast, not even.
Oh, look at it. So cool.
I've had my heart broken into, but something's different next to you. It's like
We're just doing the shortest walk in the Springbrook National Park that starts from the canyon lookout, and it is super cool. You go through like lush rainforest, you got the sheer cliffs and then bushlands, and then you're going through semi-caves and under waterfalls, which would be crazy in the wet season. That's the one. Look at that tree.
It looks more impressive in real life.
But there's just so much to see, so much wildlife. It's awesome, and you're just so close to the city, and lots of my friends haven't even been out here. It's crazy. Any comments, Becky?
Oh yeah, it's fantastic.
She had a lot more to say before.
Oh, I hate cameras.
Oh, check this out. How do I reverse this? While I was just saying that, we come to this. Another massive cliff face waterfall.
You know what?
Yeah,
I think
well worth it.
I think this is the one where we saw.
There's some really friendly locals that have been giving us the rundown. Apparently if you do the long path, there's 11 waterfalls. But on this pass, I think we've passed three or four. And this is probably the biggest. Definitely the longest drop. Just to give you a reference of how big it is. Zoom out like that.
And all this time I thought I knew, but all this time away it's been you. 'Cause I can run but I can't hide the feelings that I know I can't keep.
Just to give you an idea of what's going on. So at the beginning you start from walking on the top of the cliff edge, and then you meander down, and then you're walking along the bottom of the cliff edge, and that's where you walk under those waterfalls. And that's more rainforesty. So rainforest down the bottom, and then like Aussie bushland at the top. We're coming to the end now, I think, but it is so cool. It's really well worth it. Springbrook National Park.
Feelings that I know.
Everywhere you go in Australia, there's these raptors. You just can't escape them, but this one is especially brave. We've got some crackers, and he wants some. Super brave, look, you don't care, you don't care. Anyway, we're at half an hour away from the other walkway. We're still in Springbrook National Park, but we're going to go to the natural bridge. It looks really cool in pictures, so hopefully it'll look good in real life. He's so big. It's just so awesome. You're so tempted to jump over onto the rocks, but you really shouldn't. Listen to the National Parks guidelines, guys. Almost stepped on this guy.
But your hunter's wife prevented you from chasing
Found it.
that.
This is what it looks like from the top. How cool would it be if you could jump down into there? That'd be so much fun. Wait, check this out. How good is that? Sunning himself on the log. So much stuff everywhere.
Should we try and walk over?
Yeah, I'm a hunter. I saw that. He's borderline attacking me now for food.
No, that's mean.
I'll give her some, him or her. Here, open it so that she can have one.
No, because then it's not mean.
Oh yeah, you video.
Okay.
You video. Calm down. Get away. Get away. Yeah.
I don't know that this is... Okay, come on, let's go.
You have another one.